You look younger than your age. ته د خپل عمر نه کم ښکاري. You look younger than your age. He looks older than his age. هغه د خپل عمر نه سیوا ښکاري. He looks older than his age. I am feeling sleepy. ما له خوب راځي. I am feeling sleepy. I am feeling appetite. زه وږی شوی یم. I am feeling appetite. I am feeling feverish. په ما لږه تبه ده. تبه یو داسې مرض دی چې په دې کې د بنده یخني کیږي. I am feeling feverish. You should be ashamed of yourself. تا له شرم پکار دی. You should be ashamed of yourself. How is your study going on? پڑھائی دی څنګه روانه ده. How is your study going on? What is going on there? هلته څنګه چل دی. یا تاسو داسې مویلی شئ هلته څه صورتحال دی. What is going on there? I had a stomachache. په معده می درد و. I had a stomachache. The lamp has no oil. په ډیوه کې تیل نشته. The lamp has no oil. Or یا there is no oil in the lamp. په ډیوه کې تیل نشته. There is no oil in the lamp. I had a pain in my leg. زما په خپه درد و. I had a pain in my leg. It is getting dark. تیاره کیږي. It is getting dark. Come what may, we will not do so. که هر څه موږ به داسې نه کوو. Come what may, we will not do so. No matter what, I'll go there. که هر څه زه به هلته ځم. No matter what, I'll go there. God knows who is he. خدای ته پته چې هغه څوک دی. God knows who is he. God knows where they are. خدای ته پته چې هغوی کوم ځای دي. God knows where they are. God knows who made this. خدای ته پته چې دا چا جوړ کو. God knows who made this. The winter is around the corner. یخنی راتلو واله ده. The winter is around the corner. The summer is around the corner. ګرمي راتلو واله ده. The summer is around the corner. They will go to London in a year or so. هغوی به په یو 2 کالو کې لندن ته ځي. They will go to London in a year or so. He is about to reach in an hour or so. هغه په یو 2 غنټو کې رسیدو واله دی. He is about to reach in an hour or so. There is no shortage of food grains in our country. زمون په هیواد کې د غلې کمی نشته. هیواد یعنی ملک. There is no shortage of food grains in our country. Milk is pretty hot. پای ډیر ګرم دی. Milk is pretty hot. It's my turn now. وس زما نمبر دی. It's my turn now. The boy is fit for marriage. هلک د واده لایق دی. The boy is fit for marriage. This book is selling like hot cake. دا کتاب لکه د ګرم کیک خرسیږي. This book is selling like hot cake. The patient has died before the doctor came. د ډاکټر د راتلو نه مخکې ناروغه مړ شوی و. The patient had died before the doctor came. They are fast friends. هغوی خواږه ملګري دي. They are fast friends. He is dumb and deaf. هغه کوڼ او چاړه دی. He is dumb and deaf. Are you in pain? آیا پتا درد دی؟ Are you in pain? I don't know. I was on leave yesterday. ما ته پته نشته زه پرون په چوټۍ وم. I don't know. I was on leave yesterday. He was not at home. هغه کور نه و. He was not at home. We are not cowards. مونږ یرندوکي نه یو. We are not cowards. They were not innocent. هغوی بې ګناه نه وو. They were not innocent. Was that his car? آیا دا د هغه موټر و؟ Was that his car? I am not a deaf. زه کوڼ نه یم. I am not a deaf. No, it was not his. نه دا د هغه نه و. No, it was not his. He was at his wit's end. د هغه هوش الوتی و. He was at his wit's end. He was fast asleep. هغه په جوور خوب اوده و. He was fast asleep. Was he fast asleep? آیا هغه په جوور خوب اوده و. Was he fast asleep? Why were you in a hurry then? ستا هغه وخت تادي ولې وه. Why were you in a hurry then? I have many friends. زما ډېر ملګري دي. I have many friends. You have a bad cold. ستا ډېره سخته یخني ده. You have a bad cold. He had his bath early in the morning. هغه سحر وختي لامبلی وو. He had his bath early in the morning. I have no money. ما سره پیسې نشته. I have no money. Do you know him? آیا ته هغه پیژنې. Do you know him? Don't you go to see the cinema? آیا ته سینما کتو نه ځې. Don't you go to see the cinema? I don't know him. زه هغه نه پیژنم. I don't know him. Do they go out for the morning walk? آیا هغوی سحر چکر له بهر وځي. Do they go out for the morning walk? He hates the poor. د هغه غریبانان بدي شي. He hates the poor. یعنی د هغه غریبانان نه دي خوښ. Does he not obey you? آیا هغه ستا خبره نه مني. Does he not obey you? Do you know how to swim? آیا تا له لامبه درځي. Do you know how to swim? I don't feel at home here. زما دلته زړه نه لګي. I don't feel at home here. Do you know how to play the harmonium? آیا تا له ساز غږول درځي. Do you know how to play the harmonium? He is doing his best. هغه خپله پوره هڅه کوي. He is doing his best. یا تاسو داسې ویلی شئ هغه خپل پوره کوشش کوي. It is raining in torrents. ګڼ باران وریږي. It is raining in torrents. He is not going there. هغه هلته نه ځي. He is not going there. He is fulfilling his promise. هغه خپل ژمنه پوره کوي. He is fulfilling his promise. ژمنه یعنی لوس، یا تاسو داسې مویلی شئ هغه خپل لوس پوره کوي. The wind is blowing hard. تیزه هوا چلیږي. The wind is blowing hard. The house is being built. کور جوړولی کیږي. The house is being built. The road is being repaired. سړک رغول کیږي. The road is being repaired. I have done my duty. ما خپل فرض تر سره کړی دی. یعنی ما خپل فرض مکمل کړی دی. I have done my duty. We have lost a lot of money. مونږ ډېرې پیسې خرابې کړي. We have lost a lot of money. Have you heard the news? آیا تا خبر اورېدلې؟ Have you heard the news? They have not made a good bargain. هغوی ښه سودا نه ده کړې. They have not made a good bargain. He has kept us in the dark. هغه مونږ په تیاره کې ساتلی یو. He has kept us in the dark. He has not acted upon my advice. هغه زما خونه ونه منله. خونه یعنی نصیحت، یا تاسو داسې ویلی شئ هغه زما نصیحت ونه منو. He has not acted upon my advice. He has resigned from his job. هغه د خپلې نوکرۍ نه استعفا ورکړي. He has resigned from his job. Have they left the town? آیا هغوی ښار پرېښودی؟ Have they left the town? Have you not received my message? آیا تا ته زما پیغام میلاو نشو؟ Have you not received my message? I received your message yesterday. ما ته پرون ستا پیغام میلاو شو. I received your message yesterday. He didn't come. هغه نه دی راغلی. He didn't come. I have not seen him as yet. ما لا د اوسه پورې هغه نه دی لیدلی. I have not seen him as yet. We have not gone to school since Monday. مونږ د څلورمې د ورځ نه مکتب ته نه یو تلي. مکتب یعنی سکول. We have not gone to school since Monday. The clock has not struck 3 yet. په ګړۍ کې لا اوس 3 نه دي. یعنی په ګړۍ کې لا اوس 3 بجې نه دي. The clock has not struck 3 yet. I have always looked upon him as my elder brother. ما هغه تل د خپل مشر ورور په شکل کې لیدلی. I have always looked upon him as my elder brother. He looks like a fool. هغه بې وقوفه معلومیږي. He looks like a fool. It has been raining for a week. د یوې هفتې راسې باران وریږي. It has been raining for a week. He has been helping me for many years. هغه د څو کلونو راسې ما سره مرسته کوي. مرسته یعنی مدد. He has been helping me for many years. You have not been doing anything since yesterday. ته د پرون راسې هیڅ نه کوي. You have not been doing anything since yesterday. د دې نور ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره دا چینل سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به دې په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.